Welcome to our video on rebuilding farming systems through regenerative agriculture for a resilient India. This video explores core regenerative principles, farming practices, government initiatives, and future perspectives for sustainable Indian agriculture. We begin by introducing the concept of regenerative agriculture and its vital role in modern farming. While India's agricultural sector has shown strong growth and resilience, intensive farming and climate challenges have led to significant soil degradation. There is a pressing need for regenerative practices. Healthy soils drive productivity, while climate resilience helps mitigate risks from extreme weather. Regenerative agriculture goes beyond sustainability by actively improving ecosystem health, biodiversity, and soil vitality. Next, we examine the fundamental principles that define successful regenerative agriculture systems. Restoring soil health relies on two key methods: minimizing physical disturbance through reduced tillage and protecting the soil surface with cover crops. Biodiversity enhancement is another pillar, achieved by integrating livestock for nutrient cycling and promoting diverse cropping patterns. Limiting chemical inputs is crucial. We encourage replacing synthetic fertilizers with natural bioinputs like Jivamrit and Bijamrit to foster safer farming. In this section, we take a closer look at how these regenerative practices are being applied within India. Resource efficiency is key. Micro-irrigation and farm mechanization help optimize water usage and labor, reducing the overall environmental footprint. For nutrient management, we focus on precision nitrogen application alongside traditional natural farming techniques to maintain fertility. Finally, we highlight soil health methods like green manuring, cover cropping, and mulching, which are essential for long-term conservation. We move on to discuss the development of integrated and climate-resilient farming systems for a more sustainable future. Integrated farming systems combine multiple enterprises, such as crops, livestock, and fisheries, to maximize resource use. Additionally, crop diversification strategies like intercropping help improve soil health. Agroforestry is another key application. By integrating trees with crops, farmers can improve income, rejuvenate degraded lands, and better mitigate climate change impacts. To build climate resilience, farmers are adopting balanced nutrient and pest management, alongside community-driven water management innovations and collective marketing. Next, let's look at the multifaceted benefits of transitioning to regenerative farming methods. Environmentally, these practices restore soil health through carbon sequestration and foster biodiversity by supporting beneficial pollinators and species. Economically, regenerative farming lowers input costs and increases profitability, while also creating new job opportunities in advisory and ecological management. These practices also build social resilience by securing livelihoods against market shocks and strengthening local rural economies. In the next section, we examine the government initiatives supporting the shift toward regenerative agriculture. The National Mission on Natural Farming promotes natural farming clusters through financial incentives and specialized training for farmers. The Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana further supports this transition by providing financial assistance for organic certification and improving market access. Water efficiency is addressed through programs like Per Drop More Crop, which provides subsidies for micro-irrigation systems. The Soil Health Card scheme plays a crucial role in providing farmers with actionable data to manage their soil health effectively. These cards offer plot-wise soil analysis and crop-specific advisory services, helping farmers optimize their fertilizer use and improve productivity. Outreach programs, including farmer training and the work of Krishi Sakis, are vital for spreading these essential practices to farming communities. As we look ahead, the future of Indian agriculture relies on the continued integration and scaling of these regenerative practices. Looking ahead, we see a growing trend of farmer participation in regenerative practices and expanding government support, both of which are essential for scaling sustainable agriculture nationally. Environmental sustainability remains a priority. Regenerative agriculture significantly contributes to climate action and ensures long-term ecosystem and soil health for future generations. Finally, this approach builds resilient rural economies, securing livelihoods and fostering a future of agricultural prosperity through healthy, productive systems. Thank you for watching this overview of regenerative agriculture in India. We hope you found these insights valuable.